Hello Martin, I'm going to take a video for you about the 4K microscope. This is the menu of the software of the 4K camera. This part are the function of different measurement. For example, we want to measure this line, this side, and between this line, the distance of these components. We can use this one. This is the distance, this is the measurement data. And also the data can see here. After we measure, we can take the photo. We can capture and save it into the flash disk, the USB flash disk. And here is the setting of the camera. The functions are very simple and very convenient to control. It connects with a 4K monitor, and we can control all the function by the mouse. That's all. Thank you.